morning, ma'am. Here we are with our wastewater management process. So here we can see our factories. So factories, like the impure water, what is captured from the factories. So here the contaminated water is taken to the different kinds of irritate stages. So the irritate stages make the purified water, and the purified water can again be used for the household chores and the water. So here we can see this is the different kind of water. This is again used for different kind of stages. Now this is a stone stage. Now this stone stage has the property to absorb the organisms that can be seen with the naked eye or the impurities in the water. Secondly, we move towards the sediment stage. Now sediment stage with the hydropressure, it again takes the impurities. And then we move towards the charcoal stage. Now charcoal stage has the property to take all the impurities inside it. And nextly, after that, we move towards the sediment stage. And after that, it again absorbs the impurities and then it moves towards the cotton stage. Now cotton becomes black as it takes all the impurities in it. And then we move towards the cloth stage. So now here cloth, the impurities are again absorbed and we get a purified water here, as we can see. So this purified water can be used for household chores such as, and this process is good for the farming purposes and for the irrigation purposes. As we can see, this water cannot be used for drinking as we need to perform the processes of chlorination and filtration. So this we can see that this is the impure water. And after this aeration processes, we can get a purified water. So this can be used for, and it is easily available in our locality. These objects, and these objects are nature friendly. So there is no harm to any environment. So here from this different kinds of stages, we have done a purified water. Thank you so much.